You know, when it's like this, there's not much to do except for just water. It's been over 90 degrees now for several days, so I really hate going out and moving around plants, but you can go around and prune plants that need pruning. And pull up some weeds here and there. Sometimes after a really good watering like this, it is good to go around and pull up weeds. You'd be surprised how much it helps your plants to give them a lot of water. They will bloom more often if they just have a lot of water, especially when first frost is around October 20th. And so 6 to 8 weeks before that would be October 20th, September 20th. So roughly around September 1st is when you can start moving things around for what you might call fall planting or transplanting. And so that's around here, September 1st. So it's in getting to be the later part of August, what, 20th or so? But so still a little bit early to start your fall transplanting. And then when it's 90 degrees in the daytime, it's definitely too hot, because the sun will suck all the water up out of the plants and make them wilt. And when you dig them up, they cannot take in any more water until they grow new root fibers, or in biology they call them root hairs. And so those root hairs are just one capillary or one cell wide. So whenever you dig up the plant, they're toast. So they have to grow new roots before they can take up any water. So that's why they have such a hard time. There's a weed. I don't know. And that's why they have such a hard time when you move them in warm weather. So sometimes if I don't have nothing else to do in the garden, I just go out and water it and get a look at everything and see how it's doing. And carry my pruning shears and prune things off if they need it. Maybe cut off any spent bud. I just cut off anything that looks unsightly, like bulbs that looks like they're done for the year, all brown. Or things are hanging over this path here. This bird bath. This bird bath, I dump it every day in the summer. Because we have enough problems with mosquitoes without making a breeding ground for them. I'm constantly walking around through the garden making sure there is no standing water anywhere so that we don't have clouds of mosquitoes flying around us every time we go outside. This hibiscus, whenever it's done, this individual plant is done blooming, you can either cut off the bloom, or if you can pull it off, go ahead. If a leaf is getting to look bad or something, I cut it off. So I look around for things that can be pruned to improve the way it looks. Just take them off. And you know, when it's 90 degrees outside like this today, you would be surprised at how fast it dries out. How fast the soil dries out. Potted plants have to be watered just about every day in the summertime like this. I've noticed time and time again that plants bloom more when you water them frequently. And I don't know why, but this bed here seems to get really dry fast. My first guess is it needs more organic material. So I need to find a way to add more to it.